Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Post hauls, vlogs, get ready with me, DIYs, all that. So if you like all that kind of content, definitely hit that subscribe button down there because you do not want to miss my videos. Trust me. So today we're going all natural, no makeup, nothing. Because today after Thanksgiving, I'm in food coma still. Hopefully you all had a great Thanksgiving. I know it's past Thanksgiving when you're seeing this, but still. Anyway, so we have a Dollar Tree haul today, and let me tell you, I found so many of the TikTok finds that I've had on my list. So grab a snack, grab a drink, let's get into this haul. So let's just start off. I found the mini waffle cone Dubai chocolate mini waffle cones. These are so good, literally so good. Now I'm on the hunt for the chocolate bar from Dollar Tree. I'm on the hunt for that. But for now, we got these, and these are the bomb. So good. So we got those. Then I did get another one of the little doodle pads. These are $1.75, but I really like these. I think they're cute. So got that. Then finally, I found the Pro Silk Red Velvet Moisturizing Body Wash. This smells absolutely like red velvet cake. I love it, and I hope it lasts on the body. But this smells the bomb, so I'm so stoked that I found this. So I got that. Then, probably what I'm most excited for from this haul is the Hemp Happy Hemp Seed Oil Body Lotion in Pineapple Honeydew. When I smelled this, I almost fell on the floor. Literally, this smells so freaking good. I cannot even explain it. So I'm so glad I found this. If you guys see this, please pick it up. Smell it at least and pick it up. Like, this is just fabulous. So we got this. Definitely put this on your list, I'm telling you. Got that. Then I found the Frozen little makeup line. So this is the Frozen Moisturizing Lip Balm in Coconut. I love the little diamond, little Olaf. So that one. And then we got the Nourishing Lip Gloss. I don't know if there's a scent, but it's just glittery Anna. So we got that. I love the little glitter. I know there's something else frozen, but I don't know where it is. I don't know if I picked it up, but it's a little lip gloss, but oh well. Then I got the eyeshadow primer in a spritz. So we got that. And then I got another one of the pumping gloss stick in rose. I cannot tell you how much I love these little pumping gloss sticks. And the heart is just adorable too, but I love these. So that. And then I got the one in sorbet also. Great stocking stuffers. Then finally I found the little bears. So this one is in vanilla. And then we have, I think this one's the cherry, yeah. The red is the cherry. And then this one's cherry. I meant to grab the strawberry, but I guess I grabbed a cherry instead. But we got that, and that's bag number 1. Bag 2. I did get the River and Row Honey Drip Body Milk. This is so fantastic, and so is the one in like the other container. This is great stocking stuffer. Then I got this. How cute is this little 2 little drawer set? I'm literally just obsessed with the pattern of this. Like, this is just stunning. So I got that to put whatever I want in it. Then I did get the Coconut Shea Hand Cream Perfect Stocking Stuffer. So I got it. Stocking stuffer. Then I did find this. This is the Evo Advanced Whitening Anti-Cavity Fluoride Toothpaste Peppermint. Helps fights cavities, gently clean teeth, clean fresh breath, strengthen enamel, remove stains and plaque. For $1.25, yes, I loved the whitening toothpaste of this, so I'm excited to try this one, so got that. Then I did get another set of the Kylie Jenner Lip Kit dupes. These are going in a stocking, but this is Cherry Pop and Marvelous Mauve. I actually do love these, so got to those. Then I did pick up another one of the e.l.f. Dupe primers. I used this yesterday, and my makeup was flawless all day long. So, love that. Then, I did find this new little hair clip. I thought it was actually so adorable. By Scrunchy, whatever. And it's just a green little whatever. I don't know what it is, but it's just green and cute. Got that. Then, got some new hair stuff. So these are watermelon scented hair ties, and you get 6 in here. So we got watermelon. And then the one that's most interesting to me is this banana one. Banana scented hair ties. You know what? Let's smell it. I don't know if I'm gonna love or hate this. So let's test it out. Oh, it does smell like banana, but not strong, but it actually does smell super good. It kind of smells like a banana split. So we got the banana scented, and then the watermelon, or is this one strawberry? This one's strawberry. So strawberry, watermelon, and banana scented hair ties. Not mad at them, actually. Then we got this little fashion cushion brush, and I think this is so cute for travel. Let's open it fully. I think it is so cute for traveling. Like, I don't know, it's just so cute. Let's see how it brushes through. Okay, not bad. Oh, I don't want to unstraighten my hair. But yeah, super cute for travel. Then we did get another new hairbrush. This is for like the little gifts for like Christmas. We got this brush. Let's open it too. There also was a blue one, but I personally liked this color way better. How cute is that though? So we got that. And then I did pick up this. The LA Colors pressed powder in nude. I needed a new powder, and I picked that up. So we'll see how it works. Very interested to try it. Then we got some new lippies. So these are, again, must-have gifts or whatever. This one is a banana scented little bear. We have banana. We have a, of course, strawberry. How cute's the packaging now, honestly. And then we have a mint. And then we have a blueberry. The blueberry and the banana are what I'm most excited for, to be honest. So we got, and then I got another banana because I had to. Banana hair ties and lip gloss. Can you go wrong? Then I did pick up another set of the shoe charms because I know they're $1.50, but they're still so cute, honestly. And I can use these on my Vogue bag. So I got this set, and then this set cracks me up, honestly. Bruh. So we got these 2 little sets. So that's bag 2. Let's go for bag number 3, why don't we? Okay, so I did get the orange hand sanitizer case just because I had an orange one from early in the year that needed a case, so got that. Then I did get this little notepad. I figured we're going to start a new year. I need to be organized this in 2026. So I got this little notepad to organize me in 2026. Then I found this Tough Tape. So your most trusted repairing tape. Strong, waterproof, whatever. And do you guys remember forever ago the space tape, like the clear tape? So now we got this. So we shall see. So I got that. Then I got the pink Pro Silk Body 24-hour moisturizing body lotion, fresh and comfy. So we shall see about this one. Now we have pink and the purple. So got that. Then super random, but I found this. The Kayla silicone makeup sponge, non-absorbent and uses less makeup. So I thought that was pretty fun, randomly on the shelf. So we grabbed that, of course. Then I got 2 of the concealers. This one is in cool light, and then this one is in light medium. I just can't tell. And I used the light in my Get Ready With Me, and it was a little, I don't know. So we got this shade to try to see which one is going to work. So we got these. Then we got the Nail Art Aquapop water-based nail polish from the new Ioni collection, like but the nail one. So I got this to try out because why not, you know? So we're getting that to try. Then I found the color shifting eyeshadow sheer pigment, color that shifts in different lighting. I thought this was so cool. Like, I just had to have it. And I'm definitely going to do like a wear test on this because I want to try and see what it does during the day. But we got that. How fun. Then we got the Crystal Lip Gloss in Clear Vanilla. I love this. I feel like this can be layered on top of anything or by itself. So I got that. Then, what am I going for? Finally, I found the lip oils. Because in my last haul, I couldn't find the lip oils. I found them. So we got the Soft Pink Cosmo lip oil. That's what that one looks like. And then we got the Daiquiri lip oil. So it's like more redder in a pink. So, got that. So that was bag number 3. Let's see if we have a bag number 4. Last bag. So we got this little notebook and it says enjoy the little things. And just look like this. I like how it's like this length. Does that make sense? But we got that. I thought it was cute. Then I did get the Glow Energizing Glow Mist Ceramides Dewy Finish Setting Spray. So we got that because I did enjoy that. So I was like, put it in my travel bag. Then I got the Crystal Lip Gloss in Honey. Got that. Then we got the Blush Swipe and Go in Cherry. I'm obsessed with how red this is. So we got that. Then I did pick up the Must Have Beauty Sponges. These are actually so nice. I'll take them out of the package so I can show you. They are super nice. And they have like a little handle on the back. Or a little thing. These are super, super nice, especially for like under here. So, got those. And a 2-pack is not bad. So I have a garbage can next to me. Then I got the double-sided spoolies. I loved these, and I could never find them, and so I snagged them when I found them again. So I got that. Then, by that even brand that we saw before, I got this lipstick in the shade Pink Teacup. I think it is such a cute little color. And name, hello. So we got that. I found this bath potion thing. It's a foaming bath potion thing. I don't know. I have no idea, but I thought, you know what, this is pretty interesting. And it like looks like that. Like there's like, I don't know. But we got that just for the hell of it. So I'll let you guys know if it works. Then, by that Joha brand, I got this concealer, and I got it in caramel, because I feel like it's a little lighter, and this might be my shade. So, we'll see. But we got that, because I really do like the brand. Then, we found the liquid lipstick, Cold Deep Red in Bloody Mary. I'm obsessed. This and that blush are going to go so good together. So, we got that. And then, we got the Chocolate Martini. So, super fun. Then the last 2 things, I got the Little LA Colors eyeshadow palettes. This one is literally all, there's like two glitters. So this is just the shade Traditional. So this is just in the shade Traditional. And then we have this one, which is Urban. There's like different colors, and this is mostly mattes too. So definitely glad I picked these up. But that officially completes the end of this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I definitely am glad I'm finding more finds that are on my list and like more gift giving stuff and stuff. So I'm definitely glad with my finds. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely don't forget to comment down below what you guys have done for it. I should be done for, what you want to see from me. And yeah, please don't forget to subscribe, share the channel, and see you in the next one.